Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add in your Instagram link to your Shopify website. This is a useful feature if you want to integrate your Instagram feed or store with your Shopify store to enhance your sales channels and improve visibility for your products. First, open your Shopify store and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will land on your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage your store, products, orders, and sales channels. From here, you can add your Instagram link to connect your store to Instagram. On the left-hand menu of the dashboard, locate and click on Apps. This will take you to the Apps section of your Shopify store. Here, you will see any apps you have already installed. To connect Instagram, you will need to access the Shopify App Store. To do this, click on the option labeled Customize Your Store or Add Apps. This will redirect you to the Shopify App Store, where you can search for various apps to enhance your store's functionality. In the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to type Instagram. This will display a list of apps related to Instagram integration. You will see options such as Instagram Feed and Instagram Shop. If you want to connect your Instagram store or feed to your Shopify store, select the app that matches your needs. A good option is the Instagram Shop and Facebook Shop app, as it allows you to integrate both social media platforms into your Shopify store. This app is free to use and provides a seamless way to connect your Instagram profile to your store. Click on the app to view its details. When you're ready to proceed, click the Add App button. Shopify will ask you to confirm your selection and then prompt you to install the app. Click Install App to begin the integration process. After the app is installed, the next step is to connect your Instagram account. On the App Setup page, look for the option labeled Connect Social Accounts or a similar prompt. Click on it and you will be redirected to a page where you can sign in to your Instagram account. Use your Instagram business account credentials to log in. If you have a Facebook shop linked to your Instagram account, you can also connect that at this stage. Once you log in successfully, the app will link your Instagram feed or store to your Shopify store. This means your Instagram content, such as posts, products, or links, will now be integrated into your Shopify store. Depending on the app you chose, you might be able to display your Instagram feed on your Shopify homepage, add Instagram shopping features, or showcase your posts alongside your products. To confirm the connection, go back to the Apps and Sales Channels section in your Shopify dashboard. Here, you should see the Instagram shop listed as one of your connected apps. You can customize the way it appears on your store and configure its settings further if needed. For example, you can control which Instagram posts or products are displayed or how often the feed updates. Adding your Instagram link to Shopify allows you to showcase your social media presence directly on your store, encouraging visitors to explore your Instagram content and potentially boosting engagement and sales. It's a simple and effective way to strengthen the connection between your online store and social media channels. This process is straightforward and can be completed within a few minutes. Once set up, your Instagram link or feed will remain integrated with your Shopify store, providing a seamless experience for your customers. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.